Hello everyone. With COVID-19 keeping us all at home and glued to our computers, I thought it'd be a good idea to make an informational video about how to stop Windows 10 from automatically shutting down your computer. If you're unaware of this behavior, Windows will eventually shut down your computer if you leave it unattended long enough so it can apply its updates. This is of course a problem if you're a student like me and have tabs upon tabs of non-auto-saved partial schoolwork that you definitely don't want to get erased by an update. By the way, this video is only partially scripted, so my apologies if I appear to be thinking in real time. There are two methods to doing this, a method for Windows 10 Pro and above, and a method for Windows 10 editions Home and below. So let's check your edition first. Let's right-click Start. Press Run. We're going to type msinfo32. OS name right at the top, Windows 10 Pro. If you have Windows 10 Pro and above, this first method will work for you. If you have Windows 10 Home or below, skip to the timestamp on screen with the second methodology for regedit. But let's get started with the group policy editor. We're going to right-click Start. I'm going to press Run. I'm going to type MMC, enter. Press yes on the UAC prompt. I'm going to go File, Add, Remove, Snap-in. Group Policy Object, finish OK. We're going to expand this, Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, Windows Components, Windows Update. We're going to pay attention to two of the settings in here. First of all, Configure Automatic Updates. We're going to open this up. We're going to set the radio to enabled. And we're going to set this drop down to 4. You can also turn on Install Automatic Updates for other Microsoft products if you'd like. This is your discretion. Then we're going to come down to No Auto Restart with Logged On Users for scheduled automatic updates. We're going to make sure to double click that, press Enabled. And what this is effectively going to do is it's going to automate the entire install process. It's going to download updates automatically. It's going to install updates automatically, but it is not going to restart for any updates that need to be restarted to fully complete their update. So you will need to manually restart the computer for that. And it will not restart the computer as long as there are any logged on users. So these settings auto-save, so we can just press X here, and we're going to press No, because this save prompt is different from what this actually is. It's legacy stuff, don't worry about it. You just press No, and to verify that your changes have been made, press Start, Settings, Update and Security. You'll notice you have a little flag here, and you'll notice that all the changes you made are now reflected in this. You might not see some of them, like install day, install time. Some of them might not have been applied. I made some tweaks in there myself. But if that's showing up, you're all good. Now for the registry editor method, we're going to right-click the Start button, press Run. This is largely the same. We're going to type regedit. We're going to press Yes on UAC. Then we're going to go down to HKey Local Machine, Software. Let's see if I can remember this. Software, Policies, Microsoft, Windows, Windows Update, AU. Now the settings you want to care about here, or the keys, are these two. If you have one of these two available, what you want to do to change its value to the one I have here is double click it, make sure AU options is 4, and press OK. Double click No Auto Reboot with Logged On Users, make sure this value is 1. If you don't have either of these values, here, I'll delete them so you can follow along. You can right click, hover over New, DWORD 32-bit value, and you can use the exact name with the exact capitalization and no spacing, AU options. I'm going to set its value to 4. Make the second one. No auto reboot with logged on users. Check your spelling there. Set that to 1. And again, I'm not sure if these settings will be reflected, specifically with the registry editor. I don't know if these settings will be reflected immediately when you make them. So again, go to Update and Security, but if you don't see this flag here, then the settings were not changed. So you should go ahead and restart your computer so that it rereads the registry and detects that these changes were made. I know it's a little annoying to restart your computer in a tutorial designed to prevent your computer from restarting, but hey, if you go through this pain now, you won't have to later. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you learned something. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, please leave them in the comments. Let me know if anything has changed, if there are any problems I can point out. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you all for watching. Goodbye.